Yo, 2013 Chevy Cruze. I'm doing the third brake light LED replacement. Here's mine. It's starting to flicker and stuff. It's actually behaving a little bit right now because I have a camera on it, but it's been cutting out and going all out. You got to replace the whole thing. Here's what it looks like from the outside. It's this one, just to confirm that's the one I'm replacing. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's pop the trunk here. Now, when you come under here, there's going to be two screws you need to take out. The two Torx screws. I used a T10. It seemed to work. It's right here and right here. If you look up there, there should be two screws visible. Sometimes the carpet gets in front of it. But basically, if you look at, this is the new one. If you look right here, there's a screw hole and a screw hole right here. You got to loosen these so then you could take this whole thing out. Not too bad. Just get yourself, you know, a little Torx. A T10 or a T12 should fit. My T10 fit, but it was just like a little bit loose, but it was enough to grab it and get them loose. Now once you get these loosened, it may, the screw might come out or it might stay stuck in the carpet. And then you want to come over here and push this tab part towards the rear of the vehicle and pull this up. And then you should be able to just pull it up. Now sometimes the screws will still be in. You need to go and screw it more, or maybe they're just stuck on the carpet. Just be patient and kind of wiggle this up and see what's going on. Get it loose, like right here. Yeah, see, this one was stuck in there a little bit. And set those two screws to the side. Now we need to unplug it, so don't just rip this thing out. Lift it up. There's a connector in there that we got to unplug. It has a little silver or like gray connector lock. You got to get that out first. How you get that out is you get the center part of it. You push it down gently and then just push the gray part only down, like right here in the center. Once you get that gray part pushed down, then you can move to the sides and just gently get this thing off. Just be patient. Watch out, because the gray part will fling off and then it'll disappear on you like my dad. Then you could just push this button connector and pull it down like that. And then you should be able to remove this whole assembly. This is from Chevy. I'm going to show you the new one. I showed it earlier, but I'm going to show it again. Here's the new one. Here's the part number. This is from Chevy. I'm going to put links in the description if it's available on Amazon. So check for that. Now put this back in. Make sure we have all the pieces. Don't lose the lock. Don't lose the two screws. We're going to need that to put them back in. And then what you're going to do after we get it connected is put the three tabs in up there first. But first we need to get this electrical connector connected. So go ahead and just push this back on. It only goes one way, so you're going to have to put it on the direction it came off. Once you have that in, then we'll push this lock piece. It just kind of slides in on the sides and then just clips in like that. It shouldn't be hard to put in. That'll lock it so it doesn't come undone. And then we're going to push the front of it, the tabs, into the holes up front, and then we're just going to let the bottom come down, the bottom tab, and just go into place. Now when you go to the trunk area, the screw holes should be lined up perfect. Again, sorry to sound like a broken record, but the carpet back there, oh, here's my T10 Torx, might be in the way of the bolt holes or the screw holes. So just, if it's in your way, you could just move it to the side and put these in. Put these in like that, and then that's it, guys. You're done. So I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Congrats. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.